Hello everyone, welcome to Karma Education. Today we will discuss an important topic from language education and curriculum studies, that is language across the curriculum, commonly known as LAC. But before that, let's start with a previous year UGC NET style question. Which approach emphasizes that language learning should occur across all subject areas and not only in language classes? Multilingual education, language across the curriculum, programmed instruction, micro teaching. The correct option is option B, language across the curriculum, right? This topic is important not only for understanding modern educational practices but also for UGC NET, SET, B.Ed, M.Ed and teacher education examinations. Now let's understand the concept. What is language across the curriculum? Many people think language is learned only in English, Hindi or Bengali classes. But language across the curriculum says something different. It says that language is involved in learning every subject. Whether students are studying science, geography, mathematics, history, and so on, they learn through reading, writing, listening, and speaking. For example, in a science class, students read scientific terms, understand explanations, discuss observations, and write conclusions. Without language, learning science becomes difficult. That is why language across the curriculum believes that every teacher contributes to language development. Now comes to the origin of the concept. The idea became popular during the 1960s and 1970s. Researchers found that many students struggled not because they lacked intelligence, but because they had difficulty understanding the language used in textbooks and classrooms. As a result, educators started emphasizing language development in all subject areas. Now come to the objectives of language across the curriculum. The major objectives are very simple: to improve reading, writing, speaking and listening skills, to help students understand subject-specific vocabulary, to promote critical thinking and meaningful learning, and to help learners express their ideas clearly and confidently. Now come to key principles of language across the curriculum. Remember these 4 principles for exams. First, language is central to learning. Secondly, every teacher is a language teacher. Third, learning occurs through participation and interaction. And fourth, language skills develop continuously across subjects. Now, what is the role of teachers? Teachers play a very important role in this approach. They should encourage discussions, explain difficult vocabulary, provide reading opportunities, encourage students to write reports and summaries, and create a classroom where students feel comfortable expressing their ideas, right? Now come to the classroom strategies. Some common classroom strategies include group discussions, debates, note making, learning journals, concept maps and vocabulary learning activities. These activities improve both language skills and subject understanding, right? Now, what are the advantages of language across the curriculum? Language across the curriculum improves communication skills. It increases comprehension and academic achievement. It promotes critical thinking and it helps students become active learners. And there are some challenges in terms of language across the curriculum. There is also some challenges. These are: teachers may not receive proper training, large classrooms can make implementation difficulty, time constraints may also create problems, and some subject teachers may feel that Language development is not their responsibility, right? In conclusion, we can say for UGC NET aspirants, remember this statement that every teacher is a language teacher and every classroom is a language classroom. This sentence captures the essence of language across the curriculum. Language is not just a subject, it is the foundation of learning itself. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe to Karma Education.